Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this very simple missile effect, the shooting this sphere. And if I move this sphere, it will shoot the aim. Again you can see it will just follow this sphere location. So let's start this tutorial. This is very simple effect. You can just enhance this effect by using good textures, because I just use this noise texture for smoke, and it is very simple. So you will get some idea how to do this type of effect. Then you can make this look good by adding some more elements. Maybe you can add debris here, good smoke textures, maybe sub UV if required. Okay, so I'll just create a new folder, test, and I'll just hide this one. Okay, and I'll use the same sphere for my particles now, and let me just take a fountain, test. And when you have some